Hello guys, in this quick and easy tutorial I'll be showing you how to install YouTube or the YouTube app in your Windows 11. It could be on your PC or laptop. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, just go ahead and find or open up your favorite browser. Now just go to youtube.com, okay? Wait for it to load, and once it loads, as you can see here, we have the address bar, okay? This one right here is the address bar. So just go to the far right and you'll be able to see this download button, okay? So what you'll do is just click on it and just click on install. All right, wait for it. As you can see here, it will just automatically pop out right here. Here we now have the YouTube app, okay? And you will be given on your desktop a desktop shortcut as well, which you can just easily click on right here. Okay, that's basically it. Whenever I close this one, and then I'm going to go ahead and double click on YouTube, as you can see here, it will just open up easily. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.